Just installed this to protect blueberry plants. Certainly a large net that is easy to work with. Is solid material and not fragile. I am hoping it will last 5 years as said by the manufacturer. But again seems like a solid product and is easy to work with. I built a wood frame and connected this netting with tie wraps and Velcro strips. Time will tell. My husband and I built a garden enclosure this year, to keep the critters from getting to our vegetables before we could. We planned out the PVC, and went in search of a garden netting that was easy to work with. I'm happy to report, this was exactly what we needed. It's strong, but the holes are big enough for pollinators. Also, true to the description, it actually doesn't get tangled up. I'm so pleased. We'll be buying more of this next year when we widen the garden. I bought the netting on a lightning deal to help keep deer and rabbits out of my garden. I have not had a problem since I installed it. It was definitely worth the investment for peace of mind veggie picking. Seems to be made of heavy-duty plastic, but cuts easily with scissors. We'll definitely buy again next year. My shipment came today. A large box was waiting on my doorstep. I was wondering what else I ordered because it was much larger than anticipated. It was all netting. I was surprised at how large this product was. I took several pictures so you could all take a look, but then took it outside to test it right away. I didn't get it all used up, but there is probably enough for a couple trees, or a few 4x8 raised beds, which is where I will probably use it, by putting tomato cages over veggies, then draping the net over those. Pros: huge, recyclable, wildlife friendly, even though I caught myself with this stew. I did get this product at a discount in exchange for my honest review, which is what I have given. I was disappointed when I opened the box and looked at this stuff. It does look like the horrible cheap bird netting that catches on absolutely everything, but this does not do that. We decided to give it a try and it was actually pretty easy to maneuver over trees and obstacles. I bought a couple of the cheapest canopies I could find on sale and threw away the canopy part to use the frame to support the bird netting. A bunch of zip ties and we had 2 trees protected from birds. In the past the fruit has been eaten so that only seeds were left hanging, so I have high hopes of peaches and apricots this year. We'd buy this again for sure. We absolutely could not have done this with the horrible kind of bird netting that catches on everything. This was way better than I thought when I first opened the package. This netting is protecting my garden fruits and vegetables. So nice to not have to worry about their demise. Click link in description for more reviews.